But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear.
Don't rush. Look down, buy no rain. Cut a pum pum. Simon a 9. Cut a tung tung. High for the high. Fana vlum vlum. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. People listen, I don't know, I look like me a junk but kitty drinking. You know what I mean. Anyways, tonight video is smash or pass and smash. Me never know I'm fast. But we put it some them in this year, some deers. And we're gonna rally it up. We're gonna rally it on the trolley like so. So we just shake it up, put them back, and then we're gonna pick by random. Anything except for do that we are gonna do. Is a truth or dare business. Who wanna go first? You go first? Kitty, I go first. Pick. Make people them see no. Cause I know what them say we not do it good enough. So them right here so. Kitty pick. White say read.
He said sing boom what go? Oh rascal bongo cat.
What?
This song we say
He says sing
Bongo
bongo
cat,
push the
the
grass cat fast
That's
5
what
times. Bongo push the grass cat. If you don't say it, you see.
bongo push the grass cat.
Fast,
Bongo push
fast,
the grass
fast.
cat. Bongo push the grass. I want to me a custody. Bongo push the grass cat. Bongo push the grass. Bongo push the grass cat. Bongo push the grass cat. Bongo push the grass.
Kids say bongo push the grass cat.
But you can't say it too much. That's what I say.
Alright, so one done. What is coming in? You got that better now? Okay, my turn. What is this, man? God, please, come with the evil tonight, you know? With the evil, you know, cause some with the blood clot, something. This don't look right. This look big, man.
Let me see it.
I don't like how that one you look. I feel nervy now. It say, I dare you to stick your tongue out and say, fuck you. How me gonna do that? Fuck you.
You sound like Ari, Aisha. Call a friend and tell her her fridge is running.
Call your friend and tell him so your fridge are run. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Make sure you call somebody when you go outside and put it on speaker. Hey, come on, leave it, Answer no girl. Answer boy. Pussy. Pew pew pew.
I live in 15, I don't know what the hell is that up now.
I don't know. Guys, probably wait for omit them one day because
Everybody has to leave.
it late, so probably people them asleep. Yeah, so I'm gonna try one other one. Anyone that say calling, we are submitting calling them to sit in
I
them.
thought that was supposed to.
More calling one must sit in them, man.
I dare you to tell me your regret.
Her regret. What's your regret?
Regret talk to some man. Crosses.
Hallelujah. My turn. That God, I feel like I pick something wrong. You know, I get a wrong bang like a while now, but I would have thought this. 3 push up.
A 5.
5? They know this look like
Come
so.
to G.
5
Hallelujah!
I'm gonna do it how I know how. 1.
2 more.
My body pain now. Me I do it too hard. 4, 5. Alright. Back a hat me do what me not like. Me not like to push up a tile. Push up a soldier and doctor. And police. Gunman.
Gunman.
Fuck you, where you get them? Fuck you, where you get?
Call one of your friends and tell him that you're coming over.
We can't do no calling one, guys.
Call a man.
Oh, make sure you answer, you know. She call somebody. Hey, girl, I want to live in your hole like a crab. I want to transform your hole in my soul like a brag.
Ako.
COVID?
A quarantine, I say, oh, you come and me can't come pick you up.
They know that, so make we let's see. You call in one of them guys, you go omit them.
Till tomorrow.
Yeah. We do another one and do the calling one then because but now answer phone now. It's 11. It's late.
11:52.
It's very late. The moment you were most ashamed of. Boy, Pana cannot tell me say, maybe so cute body. I just have to go so. Cause I never know how it works, so I did a shame, a joke. My most ashamed moment in my whole life was going back to school, getting pregnant with my other daughter, because I actually wanted to finish and do something more. But because I get pregnant, I drop out. So probably that's the more. Me not regret it, but me did a shame. Because if I walk up and down with two pitney one time, one in a hand and one in a belly, it's kind of hard. So
True.
yeah, that's the only one that did kind of shame. Other than that, my stomach try. I come like drunk crow.
Dare you to call your man's name?
I dare you to call your man's name.
We don't have no man again.
Really? You don't know man again? Well, whatever. You know something should have put the powder in your face or your flour though for me feel like a liar I tell.
Do you know me that one man me don't tell you? Who me think of me and of me a quote thing come from?
You
But
trust
take
him.
back.
None of the paper empty. You have to be true. No man, empty with you. He said eat something out the fridge. I come in. I come in. Hello? Me come in. Say, eat something out the fridge.
But that's in the refrigerator.
Eh?
But that's in the refrigerator.
But it never said what, so I'm finna just get me a sweetie. Yeah, cause it never said what I'm finna name. It just say eat.
So you say eat something out the fridge.
Whoop. Your turn. Oh wow. Why say? Put a pampers on your head, let me go feed. Why keep your salt, you know?
Besides, you really brother.
You always like it.
Me throw that.
You always like the pampers.
two-
Kitty always like the pampers sprite them
I
every
told
time.
Whitney me have so.
Yeah.
Me
Kitty
no-
always
me
like
share
the
my
pampers.
so shit shrine there.
Pampers
Why?
head. Kitty always like the pampers sprite them. God know. Poor little thing.
Alright.
My turn. Due to all that game, I get festive, you know. Kitty, me know. You know how the fan is. I say, yeah, giggling, you know. You know something bad me. I get, oh. Are you right them, you know? What is that? Oh, God. Kiss the floor. But them not gonna see when me do it, man. You not see? Oh, God, I'm a man. Your turn.
I'm missing a draws every start sweat.
What is it? Are you more get looking one in the ear? What is it? I dare you to. Kitty, come out to fucking people that see your car. This not fair. I dare you to push a tampon up your nose. Damn, man, damn. You know what tampon work? Let me walk you for you. You come. Come. Let me do it. No, come. Let me show you. You don't do it. I'm going to take me time. Come. Me I take me time. Come, Kitty. Let me show you. I'm push in and you push up. Come, let me push in. Come, let me
You can't do it, don't.
push in.
Give me. There you go, sir.
Aye.
Me know.
Run, Clad. Could I? This girl I be real. Put it up on your head. What,
It's too
Kitty?
big for me now.
Push in this up. Push in your mouth. Then I hear you. Catching your nose.
Wipe on it nasty. Wipe on
Push
it
it back in
nose.
the bottom.
Wipe on it him.
Hey, if you ever know me a sweat, say I know me get that one day. You know, cause me know in there now, and I never did want to. Kitty always a picky wicked one them though.
What you bang doing?
Me never bother pick it. Wow. Me no know. Put a panty around your neck.
Thank you, Jay. Rababa, shababa. Yi. Like what I'm asking you?
You. Pampas head and panty neck. Tampon nose. We take out the tampon for my girl. Let me see, can you not talk? So wrong your man.
Not work.
Yeah, come twerk.
You get work?
Come, I don't even business if you can't twerk or not. Do something. Yeah. I twerk that if you have a donkey, your pampas drop off.
I'm a lace wig.
Watch ya. God, this no look safe.
You have to see because I know me right.
Me hate when they long enough because I know me righty. And you me say them on your finals, sir. So me pick them up, me nerviness. I dare you to sing in the fan. I think I'm in love again. I think I'm in love again.
I dare you to jump 5 times.
Jump, Kitty.
But
Come
you
you have
have
to
it-
push up. Jump up. Stand up, please. Jump now. Yeah.
Maybe I swing fell down.
Me not laugh, Kitty. Me no like that. Let's jump. Me no like that. Let's jump in
Then
style.
grab it down.
But anyway, yeah. Yeah, give them the money. Give them the money. Give them the money. Hey, money. Alright, my turn. Feel this. 1 cup of ice water, I'm for drink.
Dirty boy. Oh, you know me just realized the
Wow.
he call me and then ask me where me there. Then me call you when me tell him say me there where you there.
Oh.
Yeah. So me put up something for my status. Look like he read it. Me put up piece of me na mood for some wood. And he look like he no.
See what I am.
Me say somebody can let me.
The last one I
text.
feel in a Kitty, me really feel.
He me say this year.
We'll
Come
give
like,
you about mountain.
so he come like I think he innocent call me. He say ropes to me.
Oh, he think he's smart, man. Use Colgate in a sentence. That I fear. I did fear the last one. Use Colgate in a sentence.
Can I get a wow?
Colgate, not wow.
Colgate. Just Christ, do you know say you want some Colgate in your house?
Almighty God.
Nah, go ahead.
Look at my toothpaste in the bathroom.
Who say Colgate, not toothpaste?
Oh, alright. Okay, so guys, we come to the end of the video. That is Pampas and me's panty neck.
What on here? Papa said.
Panty neck. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you have a laugh. Big up on yourself. Love always. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Pick up yourself, man.
This is called the Pampas Lace Wig. If you want it, you know, go to the official.
Yeah.
Yeah, go like, share, and subscribe, and you get.
Wanna like my hairstyle?
Make one mask with it. Put it two. No, put this part there, so put it two part round your head.
How? So?
No. So. Go.
Oh, okay, I get it. But like, I'm not buy the mask. I can't go through town, son.
Got you, auntie. Take it. Okay, go to the official. Instagram. Like, share, and subscribe for your Pampers lace wig. And go to the official for your panty mask.
Yeah.
You want to do?
Your tampon cigarette.
If you can't buy one mask, cut out the seat of the panty.
Yeah.
And stitch it under with 2 elastic in it.
Where you get that from?
No, that's true.
She's a crazy motherfucker. Don't mind her. Anyways, thank you guys. Have a peaceful day. Love y'all.
Pampers head day. And a panty neck night.
Hey, girl, I have to live in here like a crab. I have to install it all. And I'm so, gone, you know.